task. You have n points uniformly and random selected on the circle, and the probability that they will lie on the arc of x. How do we do it? We start with some point 1, then we draw the arc of x, and then we check that the remaining points, the remaining are 1, 2, 3, 4 points, which is n minus 1. Each has a probability of x over 2 pi. Then what do? We switch angle to the other point 5. We start from here. We start the new arc, and again the probability is the remaining points 4, 3, 2, and 1, x over 2 pi to the power of 4, n minus 1. So we add this component n times by the number of points, and thus we include all the cases. And the answer for particular case is 1 over 16. That's all.